Good morning, boys and girls. It's Monday, April the 13th. It's day 15 of NTI, and I'm going to go over a couple of announcements before I give directions. The first thing that we have is midterms are coming out soon. We'll be mailing those out from school, so you'll be getting those in a little while. The next thing I want to tell you guys about is a contest we're going to have. The first grade classes are competing to see who can get the most reading counts points this week. The contest is going to run Monday through Thursday, so you have to get points by Thursday. On Friday, we will announce the winner, and there will be some kind of virtual prize. Nothing tangible, but still something fun. So let's see how we can do. We have some first grade achievements to announce. First, 100% for ST Math. Mrs. Curry has 3 students, Adrian, Seth, and Raylan. Great job. And Miss New has 1 student, Blake. That's on top of all the friends we've already gotten to 100%. We have some sight word achievements. Ryan and Joey in my class got 400 words, and Braden and Mrs. New's class got 500 words. And we have a special shout out for Jace in Miss Knowles' room and Harrison in Miss Houston's room. They both have over 100 reading counts points, so they're really going to be hard to beat in that contest, so we really all need to participate. And now for the directions. Today for reading, we're going to look at the story, The Tiny Seed. You can find it on YouTube, and there's a link on our page that tells you maybe you have a copy of that book. It's by Eric Carle. Now, when you read it, you can also take a reading counts quiz. It's worth 2 points. So that'd be a great one for everybody to jumpstart our contest. Once you do that, you're going to have a story map to complete. It is called Blooming Story Elements, and you guys have that there. You're going to name the characters. That's who's in the story, and it doesn't have to be people because the story doesn't involve people. So think about who the story's about, the settings of the story, where it's taking place, a problem that's going on, and how they solve that problem. Now, if you don't have access to the story, either online or in a book copy, find another fiction story and fill out the chart with that. Math today is telling time to the half hour. Now, we've done this on morning work and even on a common assessment. So it's a little bit of a review. We haven't done a whole bunch of lessons on it, but we have talked about it. It says on our paper, when the minute hand points to the 6 down at the bottom and the hour hand is between 2 hours, that is halfway. That's half past the hour. And so they give you an example at the top of the page, and then you need to write the half past, and then you need to show the time, okay? So there's only a few of those. It's good practice. Very important to know how to tell time to the hour and half hour. Social studies today does not need to be printed. I printed it to give directions. You'll see this, but you do not have to print. Okay, it says that a symbol is something which represents or stands for something else. And so on here, Ms. Houston has provided a lot of American symbols for you. And you are to draw one symbol and write a sentence about the symbol. Be sure to do neat, detailed drawing with realistic colors. We don't want to see a purple Statue of Liberty, okay? Your sentence should include the name of the symbol and a fact or a detail about that. So pick something that you know about really well, maybe you visited, or just one that you remember talking about in social studies at school. But you do not need to print this page. You can do it on separate paper or in your notebook. Our science today is really cool. It's about the rainforest. Some places are so neat. I know on some of my trips I've been to rainforest, nothing too exciting, but the outskirts of it. So this has us read a passage. There are some bigger words in there. Ask your moms and dads to help you. Try to sound it out if you can, but I know there's some big words in there. That's okay. So you're going to read about the rainforest and answer 2 questions. Okay, and it says, where are rainforests located? And write 2 other facts from the passage. So make sure you go back to the text to answer these and answer everything in complete sentences, please. Now, the special for today is art, and Mr. Bauer has sent us some information, and we have a guided drawing today. It tells us to draw a bunny or a rabbit and color it and give some background detail to it, not just having a plain bunny. He provided us with the guided art sheet, so that it tells you step by step how to draw a bunny. This is great. I even took time to try it, and I'm no artist. You guys in my class know that. But I drew my bunny, and here's my bunny. And then I added some flowers and butterflies and clouds and details. So Mr. Bauer said to email him or send us a picture on Dojo so we can get it to him. He's attached to our Dojo, so he would love to see that. And that is all the work we expect today. Remember, you do not need to print out anything. You can write in a notebook or on paper. And please make sure you submit that information to us. Make sure you're in contact with us every day through Dojo, email, whatever. We need to know that you're out there, and if you have questions, we can help you. If not, just check in with us so we can see the work you're doing, okay? We hope you guys had a great weekend. Have a wonderful day. We miss you and can't wait to hear from you.